Holy shoot, that shredder just eats up the AirPod like it's nothing. Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Make sure you like and subscribe because if we hit 100,000 likes on this video, I will be giving away a free pair of AirPods Pros. In this first video, this kid beats up these AirPods with a baseball bat.
Ah! Oh my god. Ah, that flew up and hit me.
This kid just got hit by the AirPod. The AirPods are fighting back.
Quite some damage starting off early. Alright, well, let's hope that doesn't pop back up at me this time.
He'll definitely use a better technique this time, right?
Just in case. Alright, first cap came off.
They definitely look like real AirPods.
Huh, well, looks like this one's almost done. This is a little fan thing that provides music sound.
These are definitely fake AirPods. That can't be real. Even though the video title says it's 1,000% real. Not 100, 1,000. In the second video, I'll let the kid explain what's happening. Of course this one will be real. Alright?
Now today, we are going to be breaking AirPods. You know, AirPods, the wireless Bluetooth Apple's earbuds.
Yeah, everybody knows AirPods, and we all know that is not an actual AirPod. But let's keep on watching the video.
It's 100% real. And we have a hammer to break it with, or we could also use a mallet. I'm trying to decide which one. I think I'll start off with the mallet.
Yeah, so we've distinguished that they're not real AirPods, but let's keep watching and see how savage this guy is at breaking $5 rip-off AirPods.
With the mallet, here we go. Wow, that was cheap.
I wonder why they were cheap.
Oh, there it is. Broken on the inside. Well, I don't think the mallet's working anymore. Let's hit it with the hammer. There we go. Oh, it's stuck to the hammer.
Wires are better anyway.
This kid is breaking his 1,000% real AirPods because he thinks wired are better anyways. This video with a shredder has to have real AirPods, right? Nope. But it's still very cool how easily the shredder just eats the AirPods and destroys them. I mean, the fake AirPods. I'm actually wondering how many fake AirPods this guy bought just to put in the shredder. Here's the case for the 1,000% real AirPods. It's 1,000% real. I think I can see an Apple logo on that battery. Oh shoot! The battery had a little bit of an explosion. Even though these AirPods aren't real, this is probably my favorite video out of destroying real AirPods. Make sure you like and subscribe, and there's a chance that you will get AirPod Pros if we hit 100,000 likes on this video.